Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rue.
And I'm Ju.
And together we're...
London Munch.
Yep. Don't mind me just eating a Chinese roll, as they're called. But yes, we are now in Nuwara Eliya. Hillside country, tea country. And we are at Glenloch Tea Factory right now. The temperature is so much cooler than it has been on any other part of a trip, and it's so nice and refreshing right now.
Yeah.
And a typical place where Sri Lankan people come to escape the heat of the rest of Sri Lanka. But yeah, when here, an unmissable experience is to visit a tea plantation and see how tea is made from the plucking of the leaves, which are all around us right now, to the tea that you have. And yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how that goes. Yeah, come on with us.
That is amazing. The tea factory started by one of the Scottish person in 1867. That's why our name Glenloch. Because before 1839, all coffee plantations and herbal teas. Like this younger shoots they collect. After that, we checking quality and weight. They passing through the truck in the evening. 1,200 kilograms each one. And 12 hours laying under the fan here to take the moisture. Because we want to crush it. Every 2-3 hours they shake it. After 12 hours, 600 kilos, half. They bring to leaf feeding channel. They passing to the machines. Finally, we getting 300 kilos out of 1,200 kilograms of tea leaves.
Our tour guide carefully took us through each stage of the process, showcasing the machinery used along the way.
Like that, small fans. Now the end of the process, like that they come in.
Freshly dried tea scent running through the factory was a pleasure in itself.
See the final. Here, madam.
It's really nice.
We received a short lesson on the history and geography of tea cultivation in Sri Lanka before we sat down for a tea tasting.
Section by section. Crop rotation. Whole year round we going with black tea. Today we pick here. After 7 days interval, new one coming.
Now we're going for the tasting. Oh wow. This is a beautiful gift shop. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Hi. Oh, amazing.
Yeah, lake surrounded by valley. And they all black English breakfast tea.
Amazing. We were served black tea each and a green, white and gold tea to sample.
All tea came from different leaves, all different teas.
A couple slices of cake to go with as well. And here's my youngest niece giving the grand review.
Not the normal one?
Plain.
That's plain? Shall we give you the best one, the gold one?
Wow.
Give Kaya the
These are
gold one.
Special occasion ones.
Wow.
Gold. Let's try.
Let's see what Kaya thinks of this gold tea.
How's that one?
Plain.
Same flavour as the other one.
Try green one. I'll give the green one. Kaya's the best.
I think the white one's the plainest.
Oh, this one's going to be interesting.
Yeah, probably higher Kaya.
The white one's the plainest.
What does Kaya think about this one?
The gold one's good, the white one's really plain.
Plain.
These two.
Oh, plain. That one's plain as well. Okay.
The gold one's
Have a
tastes
black
like green
tea. Because it's so light.
Mm.
Oh,
You're not meant to have
This one's good.
No, I don't like that.
The table.
Then we went out to try our hands at the tea plucking process. You have to put it on your head. You have to put it on your head.
Like this.
Oh, cool. Even better. It reminds me of when we did coffee picking in
Yeah.
Colombia.
Mila, you look fantastic.
Special.
Yeah.
Look, I'm already winning.
Thank you.
And for you?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Well, thank you.
I'm already winning.
Yes.
Our kite is nice. Good. Strap.
They're working ground to up hills, yeah? They never shows, yeah? Dark green part not good. They pick only the top here, pinch it, the light one. And they put like this.
Just the light colours.
Light colors
Okay.
with this stalks.
Mila. 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 Mila.
Yeah, come. Yeah,
Not just the leaf, Kaya.
Super.
You want the stalk as well, baby.
and good with the stalks, pinch it.
That's okay, yeah. Put it like that.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, good.
Well done.
Kaya's a natural.
Oh, she's got her
That
first job.
ladies, 2 hand, bush of handful, they're using these fingers, not the nails. And like this, 20 kilos per day, hard work. Come.
This. She's not doing it put away.
What is this Western method
I
he's
know.
adopting? Go on, Auntie Jew.
They are cutting and pruning. How you
I do get the stalk.
Am I putting it in?
Yeah, you are.
So basket other side.
This is hard work, right?
Hard work,
Yeah.
all day, yeah.
Oh.
Rainy days also.
Okay, yeah.
Dude, grab many.
What kind of shoes do they wear?
No shoes.
Without shoes.
Oh, barefoot.
See, we're spending a long time looking where the ladies would know which ones
Yeah,
straight away.
they are experts.
Take many.
Bye bye, madam.
Saturday's good.
Come on,
Remember, it's these two things.
in your clothes, sir. Behind the leg.
What's in yours?
For sure, my appreciation for the ladies, and it tends to largely be ladies who work tirelessly to pluck all these leaves, went up massively after this experience.
Speed is important.
And all for that cup of tea we all love and largely take for granted. See if there's anything you want. And after all that, I picked up some coffee on the way out. From here, we made it to this wonderful roadside eatery, an all-female run organization serving very typical and mainly vegetarian Sri Lankan snacks. Wow. Coriander tea. Soyawadi. Mastuti. Jackfruit cutlet. Everything is typically very Sri Lankan here and very spicy, but delicious all the same.
I've done one plus.
A short ride after this and we actually arrived to the heart of Nuwara Eliya and was checking into our accommodation. Where we were served the customary tea, and that evening we went out to eat. This place had a great vibe and a cozy atmosphere. We was joined here by my parents and both my grandmas, which was very nice. I tried a cheesy cocktail for the first time, a contemporary take on the classic, which was very satisfying, and Ju got herself a chicken burger.
It looks like a good piece of chicken.
Good morning. Good morning. Hiya. This was the next morning's breakfast at our accommodation and it was delicious. A typical Sri Lankan breakfast of kiribat, coconut rice, chicken curry and lentils. Good morning all.
Good morning.
From our second day in Nuwara Eliya. If we haven't said already, I'm Ru.
And I'm Ju.
And together we're
London
Munch. This morning, it's actually a very warm morning, but it was actually quite a cold night. Surprising how cold it gets here. I actually left my hoodie back in Colombo thinking it's not going to get that cold, but it got kind of that cold. Anyway, this morning we've had our breakfast. Last night we had a nice meal at a nice bar and we then had a few drinks upstairs and whatnot. But this morning I'm not sure what we're doing.
I think we're probably just gonna do a little tour in the van around Nuwara Eliya.
And then we're gonna get off and have a walk somewhere, wherever that tour ends. And then we have a lunchtime meal at a golf club, I believe. So we will take you along and share our second day in Nuwara Eliya. For our first stop, we actually visited a working dairy farm, Amberwella Farm, the largest milk farm in Sri Lanka. And on this day, very busy with several school trips. We grabbed a couple drinks from the restaurant before making our way to our golf club lunch.
We're not allowed, the party will show to the draw.
This is a strict members club and as such all attendees are required to follow a strict dress code, which my niece happened not to be following and so was made to change her footwear.
Look at me in the shoes. Take a video.
What are those? What are those?
She knows what to wear.
This was a beautiful golf course, as far as our experience of golf courses go anyway, and most interesting was the British imprint on the whole place.
Here's a bubble.
Yes.
I'll
call you once we
Hold this please.
That's like Miss Trench.
It is.
Wow.
Very.
It reminds me of Miss Trunchbull's office.
Miss, it what?
Reminds me of Miss Trunchbull's office.
I hear that.
That doorway in there.
Nice and all that kind of thing. So they kind of made this nowadays.
And then it was time for lunch. Wow.
Kaya, sila sila puppies.
I could be like 200 days. I could eat like a basket.
Thank you.
Robert, that's a lot of rice.
I like a lot of rice. Absolutely delicious, everything. No, I'm just saying the food is delicious. All of it. Yeah. Does anyone want anything else? Really good.
Go, Kendo. You'll be in for the video. Yeah.
For dessert, I got a wattle up bung, a much loved Sri Lankan pudding, and you got a caramel pudding. Wow. What did you get?
Caramel. Mine, this looks like red chicken.
And here's my brother signing the very large guest book to say that we had dined here, I believe. Wow.
Yeah, well, this one gets notched.
Good morning once again
Good morning.
on our last day in Nuwara Eliya. This is a wrap for this video. We just had breakfast. Last night we had our Pizza Hut. I don't know if we need to. Yeah, that was decent. We just had a lovely breakfast, and now we're off. Van is packed, and we're off to Ella. So yeah, if you've watched this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please do that. We've got plenty more Sri Lankan content to come. And
Anything that you think that we could have missed here at Nuwara Eliya, put down in the comments because we're
Yep.
definitely going to be back in
yeah,
Sri Lanka.
and it'll also help the other watchers too. So please do that, and yeah, like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Thank you from us. See you in Ella.
See you in Ella. Bye.
Bye.